Hi guys, today I am starting a new video series to show home tech improvement ideas. For the first video, I am going to show how to install Google Wi-Fi and how it improved my home Wi-Fi coverage. My house is not so big house, but when the Wi-Fi signal goes through the walls, Wi-Fi signal strength is dropping from 50 megabits per second to 2 megabits per second. Therefore I decided to buy Google Mesh Wi-Fi system to resolve the issue. I bought Google Wi-Fi 3-pack. It comes with 3 Google Wi-Fi points, 3 power supplies and 1 RJ45 Ethernet cable. Pick any Google Wi-Fi point and RJ45 Ethernet cable, and plug one end to your broadband router, and other end to Wi-Fi point. And also connect power. After connecting power, wait till blue light starts breathing. Download the Google Wi-Fi app from the Android or Apple App Store. After the app is installed, follow the simple configuration wizard to complete primary Wi-Fi point configuration. Go to the next Wi-Fi point and connect to power. Then scan the QR code to register second Google Wi-Fi point. Do the same for other Wi-Fi points as well. After all points are registered, try to connect your devices to the Google Wi-Fi. You may notice even new device registration is faster than before. After that, you can manage your connected devices from the app. If you have kids, you can group them and schedule allowed internet time for them as well. Also, it will block millions of websites not appropriate for kids. Now it is time to see the performance. First, we'll check the speed to primary Google Wi-Fi point. Open the Google Wi-Fi app and tap on Network Check, and then Test Internet. This will test the speed of your home internet to the primary Wi-Fi point. You can do this check even when you are not connected to the home Wi-Fi connection as well. I have installed two Wi-Fi points, one in the first level and another in the next level. I am going to check the speed to the device. Now, I am in the furthest room from the Wi-Fi point, at level 3. Open Chrome browser and search for speed test. Then click on Run Speed Test. This will check the speed to the device, not to the primary Wi-Fi point as we checked before. As you can see, the speeds results are so satisfying. I have 100 Mbps fiber connection. At this time, max speed is around 85 Mbps. I will come up with another video soon to compare my old Wi-Fi performance and after Google Wi-Fi is installed. Thank you for watching.